But yeah, so these are really, really good. You guys definitely should try. It's recording now. All right, so I'm just getting myself pumped right now. All right, YouTube. Hey, family. Okay, so hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, look what I found at Costco's. Have you guys ever seen these? I have not. These are shiitake mushroom crisps. So shopping at the Costco's. I don't know if you guys got a Costco's in your area, but that's where I found these. These are shiitake mushroom crisp, lightly cooked and seasoned. It says that they're low temperature cooked, vegan, ready to eat snacks, non-GMO, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. So this sounds like a pretty healthy snack, a little alternative. I'm always looking for an alternative because I will grab a potato chip. So you guys, I wanted to try these with y'all today. So yeah, let's open this bag and see what these taste like. So I'm about to open them. Oh my goodness. These are whole shiitake mushrooms. I thought these was gonna be like little, you guys, I thought they were gonna be like strips or something. No, look. Hold on, let me set the bag down. They smell good. That's what it looks like. Can y'all see that? Is it focusing? Sorry, let me go back some. I'm too close. That's the back. Here's one. Says that they are, yeah, they're seasoned, lightly cooked and seasoned. So let's try it. Oh, it's a little harder than I thought. You guys, that tastes like, it kind of tastes like crouton or bread. That's really good. I like this. Now I need to try this. It tastes almost like a crouton. Y'all, hold on, wait. Let me see if my husband will try one. Hey, babe. You want to try one?
It's pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah, very light. Very crunchy.
I like it. So yeah.
A lot of flavor.
If you guys got a Costco, you want some more?
Sure.
If you got a Costco in your area, y'all try these. Leave down in the comments below if you like it or if you've ever had them. This is definitely a rebuy. I really like them. The flavor is really good. It says it's 10 servings per container. 140 calories per serving. So I don't know if I can read that. But yeah. I wanted to share it with you guys, so I like them. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Please. See y'all on my next video. Bye.